Hi everyone! Today we're going to study Cipher Cipher. Cryptography is the study of methods for sending secret messages. It involves encryption, in which a message, called plain text, is converted into a form, called ciphertext, that may be sent over channels possibly open to view by outside parties. The receiver of the ciphertext uses decryption to convert the ciphertext back into plain text. Let us now study Cipher cipher. One of the earliest known uses of cryptography was done by Julius Caesar. He made messages secret by shifting each letter 3 letters forward in the alphabet. For instance, the letter A is sent to D and the letter Y is sent to B. To express Caesar's encryption process mathematically, first replace each letter by an element of Z sub 26, that is, an integer from 0 to 25. We replace A by 0, B by 1, K by 10, and Z by 25. So this will be our alphanumeric table. Caesar's encryption method can be represented by the function f of p is equal to the quantity p plus 3 mod 26. We see here that p is less than or equal to 25. In the encrypted version of the message, the letter represented by p is replaced with a letter represented by p plus 3, then mod 26. To recover the original message from a secret message encrypted by the Caesar cipher, the function f inverse, so this is the inverse of f, is used. Note that the function f raised to negative 1, or the f inverse, sends an integer c from z sub 26. This is the f inverse of c is equal to the quantity c minus 3 mod 26. In other words, to find the original message, each letter is shifted back 3 letters in the alphabet. Note that first 3 letters is sent to the last 3 letters of the alphabet. Let us see example 1. Use the Caesar cipher to encrypt the message, "How are you?" Step 1. We translate each letter to the corresponding element of Z sub 26. We have this alphanumeric table above. Then we write the message "How are you?" down here. For each letter, we will write the corresponding number based on this table. H is 7, O 14, W 22, and so on. Now for step 2, we replace each of these numbers p by f of p is equal to p plus 3, then mod 26. Meaning for this number 7, we're going to have 7 plus 3. It becomes 10. And that 10 mod 26 is simply 10. So it will be like this. The 7 becomes 10. The 14 is now 14 plus 3 becomes 17. 17 mod 26 is 17. 22 plus 3 is 25. 25 mod 26 is 25. For the 0 plus 3 is 3. 3 mod 26 is 3. Now, we are doing same pattern for the other numbers. With regard to 24, we have now 24 plus 3, that is 27. 27 mod 26, that will be 27 divided by 26, and the remainder is 1. So we write here 1. For step 3, we translate this back to letters to get the encrypted message. Using the same table above, we will write the corresponding letters based on the numbers, meaning this 10 becomes K, 17 is R, 25 is Z, and so on. This is now the final answer. Example 2. Use the Cipher to decrypt the message capital L space capital D capital P space capital I capital L capital Q capital H. For step 1, we will translate each letter to the corresponding element of Z sub 26. So we have our alphanumeric table above here. For the message above, the numbers corresponding are here. L is 11, D is 3, P 15, I is 8, L 11, Q 16, H is 7. Then step 2, we decrypt the message using the F inverse of C is equal to the quantity C minus 3, then mod 26. So we subtract 3 for 11, that is 8, and 8 mod 26 is 8. 3 minus 3 is 0, 0 mod 26 is 0. 15 minus 3 is 12, 12 mod 26 is 12. 8 minus 3 is 5, 5 mod 26 is 5. 11 minus 3 is 8, 8 mod 26 is 8. 16 minus 3 is 13, 13 mod 26 is 13. 7 minus 3 is 4, 4 mod 26 is 4. Then, step 3, we translate back to letters to get the decrypted message. So the letter corresponding to 8 is I, 0 is A, 12 is M, 5 is F, 8 is I, 13 is N, 4 is E. So the message is I am fine. I hope you learned something from this video. See you again next time.